Say I have above average range of motion at my hip is a bit of an understatement.
No! God, please, no!
This is really my leg.
No!
It's not artificial or anything.
No!
Excuse me, I'm here. Bitch, when I was like, bitch, I called you 3 times and bitch was standing with me. I was my motherfucking running bitch. She was coming out.
About a week ago, mess with us and get the tweaking. Run up on that bag, get the squeezing.
I quit school in elementary because of recess. Too many games.
Don't you hate when you jugging in the park and you can smell a bitch pussy through her pants? You be like this. I can smell your pussy. You's a dirty hoe. Why your pussy smell like your booty hoe? You notice all the thoughts wear these shorts?
What are you doing, Sue?
I just took a picture.
For?
I took a picture for Instagram.
Delete all that shit! Delete all that shit!
Yeah! Waffle, no cheese. Yeah! Fries, no salt. Yeah! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, sight, nah! Hala, yeet!
इस्लामी रियासत बनाने का प्रोग्राम दिया है। कैमरामैन शवाद रशीद के साथ नजीर भट्टी, एयरवे न्यूज़ लाहौर।
Sure, I was supposed to be going to Rack. I wanted to know if he was trying.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Did your daddy say anything about me? What did he say? Why you ain't speaking, Kalo? You ain't gotta be scared of him. Did he bring you around that big chop? Where do he live? Say something. I'm your mother. Tell me everything. You love him more, don't you? Go live with him, then.
So you ain't almost wreck out that day, Grandma?
No, I ain't.
You
But
about to
don't
hit a
be
garbage
asking me no shit like that. Cause you know I know how to
Who
drive.
you talking to, Grandma?
I'm talking to your motherfucking monkey head
I
today.
ain't scared of you.
Bitch, you better be scared of me.